Alright guys, we're headed to my neck of the woods today. Two different places here in North Charleston. It's still Charleston, it still counts. It's still Charleston. I know it's not downtown Charleston, but the history is still rich here. And you'd be really surprised at the kind of stuff that you can find in the North area. A lot of my best finds have actually come from North Charleston. So I'm excited to get out and do a little bit of exploring. This is going to be, like I said, two different places, one of which I haven't been in probably, gosh, I guess 6 months or so. Another place is a permission where there's rumors that they found, the homeowner found a 1700s coin. So could that be a one-off situation, or could there be other stuff there? I don't know. We'll find out. Thankfully, the homeowner was nice enough to let me poke around, and we'll see what we can find. I'll check in with you guys whenever I get to this other spot while I'm waiting to hear back from the homeowner. This other spot that I'm going to, honestly, you'd probably be able to figure out where it is when you see the footage, but I really don't care because I've been around that area for so long, and if you find anything that I missed, more power to you and congratulations. But like I said, I've been there 100 times, and you know, we'll see if there's anything left. Maybe this most recent rain picked up some stuff. Maybe it washed out some stuff. We'll see. Got a lot of rain around here recently. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Check in with you in a little bit. Been a while since I've been out here. I cannot wait to see if the rain has washed anything interesting out. I found everything from 1940s to early to mid 1800s pawn-tilled stuff out here. Obviously, very, very few pawn-tilled bottles, but it's out here. It's just hard to figure out where it's coming from. Scared about giving up my spot. Check back with you if I find anything. Alright. See, this is what I'm talking about. You can see just how much the rain has eroded the topsoil away. Keep our eyes peeled. All right, what is this? It looks like a piece of a flask. I see two things, one here and one here. Of course, it's broken, unfortunately, but I don't know. That could be a broken dispensary flask. Oh, it is. Look at that. Wow, darn. What a shame. That is most definitely, if not a dispenser, I'm pretty positive it's a dispensary flask, but wow, that stinks. That really stinks. You can see all the pieces of it right there. I mean, this is kind of an area where you can really only surface hunt because, I mean, there's no telling where the stuff is really coming from. Pieces of a flask. Darn. Okay, well, this is actually a situation where I would probably take the pieces just because I love dispensary flasks so much. Man, that stinks. Check back in with you if I find anything that's not broke. All right, y'all, I was just randomly poking around with this little trowel here, and there's something right there. I don't know. Okay, I think it's definitely broken, but maybe some more of it's there. It's broken. Oh, man. The sad reality of bottle digging is that I want to give you like 90% of bottles that you find are going to be broken. Broken too, not just kind of broken, not just sort of broken. This is a very broken flask. Darn. If it was just cracked, you know, I'd glue it all day long. No problem. Something else right there. I'm telling you, I think these are all pieces of South Carolina dispensary flasks too. That's what really kills me about this. All right, check back in soon. Hey y'all, something I found a lot of out here. No surprise, insulators. I don't know a lot about them. They're not bottles, so I mean, some of them are really nice. You know, this one's got embossing on it. You know, but I bring them home and put them in the shed. If anybody's interested in insulators, let me know. I got a bunch for you. Somebody tell me what this is about. Is that fool's gold? Granite? I don't know. It's cool. Yeah. All right, y'all, gotta admit, just as I suspected, didn't really find anything at all on this side. So, gonna go check the other side. That is where I found two beautiful mint South Carolina dispensary bottles, probably about a year ago, I guess. Maybe a little bit less. A couple months ago. Gosh, man, all these gorgeous flasks are broken. That, I mean, that, I don't, with that collar around the neck there, I don't think that was a dispensary bottle. Thank God. But I mean, I would just love to find an amber whiskey flask like that. That is just too crazy. Got cork stuff, screw stuff. I mean, there's everything around here. And you know, there's no one solid place to dig is the problem. If there was a spot to just, okay, this is where the stuff is, this is where I'm gonna dig, that would be great. But it's not like that here. Everything's been tumbled over for years. Here, lots and lots of insulators. No shortage of these guys. That could be a $10,000 insulator, and I would have no idea. Kind of makes me think I should start learning about insulators. Oh, that is the sheared off top of an insulator. So if you haven't figured it out by now, this is more or less a bottle graveyard, which you may 1 in a million times a year get lucky and find something that's either almost complete or actually not broken. It has happened. Here's something, I don't know how old it is yet. Oh man, look at that. That's so cool. I don't think I've ever found this particular bottle before. WT & Co. That is so nifty. That's really a cool bottle, actually. That's real exciting. Nice. Like a, maybe, I don't know, 20s, teens, 20s, something like that. It's a machine. Well, I don't know, the seam disappears right there. Gosh, that's so cool. I'm gonna keep looking right in this little area. This is where that ground is super soft. All right, this is kind of the good spot. So let's see if there's anything that has shown up since the last time I was out here. That is pretty. Broken as all get out. Bottom of a mason jar. All right, check back in if I find anything.